J&I fishing. Today I'm on a boat, and the last boat video I had my carbs fitted, so today, and this is the second part of that video, spark plugs. Didn't change them last time, so I'm going to do them this time. And obviously the boat is, let's have a look, the motor. I'm going to change the plugs in it. Let's see how we go. Right, I've just primed the fuel lines. I'm going to see if it starts. There we are, turning the key. Silly me, I haven't put the fast idle on. And that's a cold start. Yeah, it's going so much nicer now. I've just got to change the plugs, just for peace of mind really. It's a Yamaha 34-stroke, so it's an F30aet. So let it warm up a bit. I've not brought any feeler gauges with me because I forgot to pick them up like a div I am. 18mm socket, that's all we need. Hopefully 3 spark plugs. Let's just let that warm up a bit. There we go. Idling nicely. And give this a few minutes to warm up. Then I'm going to crack on with it. So I just need to take the top casing off. I'm going to turn the motor around because I believe they're on this side. Make it a bit easier for me. Right, I'll bring you back in a sec. Right, that's the top cover off. Bearing over nicely there. Right. Right, so that I've now had about 5 minutes warm up. So what I'm going to do, switch off and disconnect, unplug the coil leads. And take the plugs out. This is it. Right. So this is the side of the motor where my plugs are. As you can see, bottom one, middle one, and the top one. So I'm going to take these leads off and then unscrew the plugs. Yes, 18mm. So I'll try and set this phone up so you can see me doing it. Because if I slip, I'm getting wet. Right, so bottom lead, middle lead, top lead. Try and pull these out there. Right. So as you can see, them electrodes are minging. Right. Here we are. Tricky part. I'm going to do the bottom one first. Guess what doesn't work? See if I've got a universal joint. 2 secs. So now I'm back with yet a universal joint. Should make it easier to get it in to the plug. There. Coming off. I do apologise for my fingers in the way there. Let's have a look, see what the condition of the bottom plug is. Do this bit by hand. Not a lot of room. I want massive hands. She's coming. There we go, it's coming now. There we go, I've dropped it. A second. Float. Tricky. Well, I've got it. I've managed to get it, and yeah, minging. Absolutely stinking that. Look at the electrode on the top. Oh, it's actually bent as well. The electrode on top bent. TPR 6089. Right, so I'll whip that one out. So that was the bottom one. Right, I'm going to whip the other two out. I'll bring you back. Right, so there's the plugs out. Not looking very clever. Might explain a lot. Like, I know it looks like there's a bit of oil. These are a bit wet, but at least they're all the same at the bottom. But it's just them electrodes on the top where you're getting your spark and that. So if it's not running right, check your plugs. Right, I'm going to grab my new ones. I'll bring you back in a sec. Right, there we are. New ones on the left, old ones on the right. So reverse order, put them back in. Apologise for the phone all over, I just do not want to drop it. So yeah, finger tight little nip by hand, and on to the next one. Second one going in there. At least it's lovely and calm on the mooring. It'll be bouncing all over the place. Nice and flat. Right. Last one. It's going in, I think. Bring you back in 1 second and check. Right, so that's them all finger tighted up. I'll just give them a little nip. Tight. Next one. Little. Tight. And the top one. Tight. Right. Plug's changed. Right. If you're doing this, I recommend that you get a piece of string or something and tie your tools to your boat. So if you do, unfortunately, drop it, you're not going to lose your stuff, your tools. So there we are. There's top plug on. Middle plug. So looking very clever in there, like. I have to get a new plug. Bottom plug on. Right, that's it. That is the 3 plugs changed. So all plugs changed. HG leads on. See if it fires. She's firing, she's away. So what you need to change your plugs is a ratchet, an extension lead, universal joint, and you only need that one for the bottom one because it's awkward just to get the angle, and an 18mm socket. And there she is, serviced. Yeah. So I'm going to let this run up. I give it a run out. I will bring you back shortly. Right, so I'm taking it out. Ticking over nicely behind. Fingers crossed. Sorted it. And I've got a bit of power. Right, so just been out 13 and 14 knots, happy days. Miles better from before. I was getting 8 knots, and then had my carbs cleaned and all that. I was getting up to about 9-10 knots. Change of plugs, 13 knots. Laughing. But I've noticed that one of my coil leads, plug leads, is a little bit corroded, so I'm going to put some new leads on. It might be alright, but I'm going to put some new leads on anyway, just for peace of mind, then I know it's all done. You know, I'll get it serviced, and then we'll get some fishing videos done. So, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, share it, thumbs up, comment, you name it, you do it. And until next time, tight lines.